What would you say is the ultimate laptop companion? Something you can take with you on work trips or when you're traveling on holidays? Would it be something like a wireless mouse, for example? Or like a set of Bluetooth headphones? Or, hear me out here, could it be this brand new top secret device from Dell that I have right here on my desk? Let's find out. It's not really a top secret. This is the Dell P1424H portable monitor. And I have to say straight off the bat, portable monitor? That's probably not something I would have had at the top of my list in the past to have as a laptop companion. However, like many others, having shifted to that hybrid work lifestyle over the past couple of years, using a secondary display is almost like a necessity, whether I'm at home or whether I'm working from the office. It just feels weird not having two screens to be able to work with. But on the flip side, it's not like I can carry my spare desktop monitor around with me everywhere I go. And that's where something like this nifty little display here comes in handy. Now, with a device like this one, convenience is the key. Because if you wanted to extend your laptop's display, it needs to be convenient and easy. Otherwise, there's not really any point in doing it. And thankfully, this one ticks all those boxes. Connecting to your laptop is super easy with the included USB-C cable. Just connect one end of the cable to the monitor's USB-C port and connect the other end of the cable to the USB-C port on your laptop. And that's pretty much it. Now you can extend your laptop's display for presentations, video calls, content consumption, pretty much whatever you want. It has a 1920 by 1080 Full HD IPS panel, which is great for those wide angle viewing situations. And it also has Dell's Comfort View feature, which reduces those scary blue light emissions that no one likes to talk about. With the flexible tilt stand, you can adjust the monitor's viewing angle from 10 degrees all the way up to 90 degrees. And it even comes with this sleek, fancy protective sleeve, which I can confirm can also be used as a mouse pad. Super cool. Looking at connectivity, there are two USB-C ports, one on the left-hand side next to the brightness adjustment button, and a button to toggle on or off the Comfort View feature, and another USB-C port on the right-hand side, which is next to the power button. Now, a couple of things to note here with the ports. Having a USB-C port on either side is great because it means you can pick which side to have the monitor on, and both USB-C ports actually have up to 65 watts of power delivery, so you can charge things like your phone, your tablets, and other devices you might have hidden away in your secret tech bag that need to be charged by USB-C. So now that you have more screen real estate, you can make better use of Windows 11 features like snap layouts, snap groups, and even desktops to provide an even more powerful way to multitask and stay on top of whatever it is you need to get done. Now, these features are designed to help you organize your windows and optimize your screen real estate so you can see what you need just the way you want in a layout that's visually clean and easy to navigate. You can also create separate desktops for each part of your life and customize them to your liking. So for example, you could have one for work, another one for everyday use at home, and of course, we have to have a dedicated desktop for gaming. So now that I've actually had the portable monitor to play around with for a couple of weeks, it's fair to say I don't think I'm going to be able to go back to using my laptops or my devices without that secondary display. It's easy, it's convenient, it's super thin, so it pretty much just fits in any bag you have for your devices anyway. So I'm probably going to have to rearrange my priority list now for accessories that I need with my laptops, portable monitor, headphones, Bluetooth mouse. So is a portable monitor a necessity or more of a luxury? I'm not too sure. Let me know what you think.